Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you have one of those and you have a problem where the car cranks but does not start, stay with us. We'll explain which fuses and relays you need to check for that one specifically. We'll demonstrate here, guys, multiple things will need to be checked. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of, guys, spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of, guys, wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So, if you have a problem where your Toyota Camry cranks but does not start, we'll demonstrate, guys, which fuses and relays you need to check on a 2013 Toyota Camry that we have right here. Now, you guys have multiple fuse boxes, 2 fuse boxes. We'll be working in both of them today. The first one is on the driver's side. If you come right here, open the door, look above the dash, under the dash, all the way upside down, and you will see one white cover. Open it, you'll see a fuse box layout that will look like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check a few fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. The first fuse that you need to check, very important fuse, is fuse number 2, right here. That fuse right there, guys. Then you need to go to fuse number, specifically, guys, fuse number 12, right there, 7.5 amp fuse. Check this one as well. You need to check fuse number 22, this one here. Okay, you will need to check fuse number 23 as well, right there. Now, there is one more fuse that you need to see here, and we're talking specifically, if you come right here, that's 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, fuse number 2, very important as well. Another one, you need to go under the hood, guys, right here. This is your engine. That's the car battery, that's the fuse box right here. Open that cover and you'll see a layout just like this one. This is towards the windshield side, this is towards the front of your Toyota Camry. Here we'll need to check multiple fuses, guys. The first fuse that we'll need to check now, okay, it's known as fuse number 13, guys. So if you come right here, that's that 15 amp fuse. Very important fuse. Fuse number 13, you need to check fuse number 14 next to it, fuse number 15 and 16. These fuses right here, the 4 fuses, will need to be checked. After that, you need to check fuse number 19, super important as well. Fuse number 19. You will need to check fuse number 28 right here. Then you go 29, 30, 31, 32, fuse number 32. Those are the fuses that you will need to check, guys, specifically, okay, for that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.